Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the NFL draft hat filter on Instagram. And then obviously once you find the filter on Instagram, you can then create a video of yourself using that filter and then go ahead and post it to Snapchat or TikTok or any other social media website that you would like to. Now it's really easy to get this filter. So we're just going to head over to Instagram. And once you're on Instagram, you want to go to where your story is. So just head over to the plus icon beside your profile to create a story. Once you have done that there, you can just go over to the right, swipe all the way over until you find this little browse effects icon here. Click on that. And then once you're in here, you can just go ahead and click on search. And then you want to search for NFL draft hat, just like this. And then you can go ahead and click on that. Now what you have to do here is just click on the little download button at the very bottom, right beside the share button, to save the filter to your camera roll. And then you can go ahead and create your own videos with this filter. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and post it on TikTok. Very, very simple and easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.